Hey everyone, this is my Project F critical reflection video clip. I have chosen an EdTPA video clip that shows a prospective high school teacher giving instruction regarding American narratives and Japanese narratives and the differences in characteristics and possible themes that are located within.
Meat of what I want to talk to you guys about today. This is my favorite topic. I want to talk to you guys about narratives, and in particular, differences in narratives between Japan and America. So first, I want you guys to think about common themes that exist within America. What characters stand out to you?
So a few things to touch on as the video has begun. You'll notice that students are seeing writing here. So we can assume that she has given out some sort of packet. Maybe it's the PowerPoint packet, so that students have it in front of them and they don't have to spend their time writing. Instead, they can listen to her as she instructs and as she attempts to make connections for them. We also notice that there are 6 students that are in focus of the camera. You have 3 right here and then another 3 over here. You also see that the projector is in focus as well as the student teacher. And then you'll also see that the camera angle is faced towards those. It does not move. It is stationary and it will stay locked in focus on this for the remainder of the clip.
If you just pause and think about it. Superman, exactly, superheroes, anything else with really, really popular stories that exist. Think about the Hobbit, think about Harry Potter. So we have these iconic heroes that will be called going on the hero's journey, where they're kind of living their life, they're happy until something happens, and it's all about returning everything to the status quo at the very end. Well, it's different in Japan. These are always a reflection of the culture. So looking at the 3 pilots of what occurs in America, we see the central focus of individuality, which is why we have characters like superheroes, right? Because it's all about leadership and extroversion, and it's about one central person who's accomplishing that goal. And it's not just how they accomplish that goal. The point of American narratives is that the hero takes charge and drives their own story. So if you think about it, when you see movies, isn't the hero always about the storyline is saying, is it possible to do this thing? And in the majority of movies, of course, he's going to be able to surpass that and achieve his goal outside of the constraints of what were originally given to him. It's a lot of what happens in American movies, right? Think about it. In Japanese narratives, it's a little bit different.
With what we've seen so far, she's attempting to make connections for the students between novels that they have read, so Harry Potter, The Hobbit, and movies that they've seen, and how they see, this hero's journey throughout those, and then that's what's reflected in these American narratives. So she's really attempting to bridge a connection between the two in order for the students to understand, to better understand what she is presenting.
Of their culture. So they have an overall focus of hard work and patience and suffering. And that comes from the stemming idea of realism. So they also have culturally a collectivist view of their society, which means it's not about the individual, it's about the group. And we can see that reflected in the characters that we read about in manga. So the protagonist in particular is just a victim of fate. So rather than molding the world around them, they're kind of just responding to the things that are occurring to them throughout the story. And that's 2 very significant differences between what we see in Japanese manga and American storytelling, right? Yes? Why do they write It's mostly just on the evolution of their reading style. So if you think about it, it's mostly like the upper Western portion you learn to read a certain way. In Japan, they
Here I noticed the distinct audio quality problem that exists within this video. I currently have my volume all the way up and you're able to hear the prospective teacher, but if the volume was down, you would really have to strain to hear. However, the student, you are not able to hear at all. She just asked a question. At the beginning, you could tell that she was asking a question, but you weren't able to make out what she was asking. And as the question went on, her voice just seemed to get farther and farther away. So this presents a poor audio quality sound that really deflects from the intentionality of this video clip.
Always read in the opposite direction. So it's kind of like if you look very, very, very far back in history, that's the way they've always done it, and that's the way they still read books today. So if you pick up any textbook in Japan, it's also backwards. So it's not just the fact that manga is read that way. It's people in China, Korea, and Japan, all of those East Asian areas are going to be reading opposite from kanji.
I have a question. Is kanji read backwards?
So here we are able to actually hear the cooperating teacher, or what I assume is the cooperating teacher. So based on how clear her sound is, we can assume that she is sitting near the video.
Kanji is read down.
So, okay. I always thought that was the reason.
So if you open up a book, you're going to be reading it in Japan. So if you open it this way, you're going to be reading from right to left, but it's down. So it's very contrary to how we read, and that's why if you've ever seen an empty notebook when they have to write their characters, the lining isn't actually this way. It goes down because they're writing their characters in this formation, and that's a really interesting thing, and that's why penmanship is so specific there, because there's actually two different ways to write almost every single word in Japan. There's the formal way and the very traditional way.
So that ends the first learning segment of her reviewing some general characteristics and getting the students to make the connections. A few things that I did just want to point out. The instructor loves this topic. You can really tell by her excitement, especially as she explains how that particular form of narrative is written. You can see that she loves explaining it. She loves talking about it. And I think that that's essential for getting students to engage with it and getting them excited about the context. The next thing is student involvement. Aside from her original hook of getting the students to think about what they know and connect with movies and novels, there's really not much engagement. Students are really just sitting there listening to her lecture and discuss the topic in general. And I felt that there lacked a true student engagement with the questions that she asked, and I felt that that only brushed on basic level analysis and understanding.